Today we're in Lincoln at Clark Enersen. It's more than simply an architecture company. This is the place where buildings are born. Let's take a look. This is Dennis Shear. He's one of the senior partners here at Clark Enersen. Dennis, would you mind telling us what Clark Enersen does?
Clark Enersen's a design firm. In order to design places and things, we have architects, engineers, mechanical, electrical, structural engineers, landscape architects, interior architects that all contribute to that design process.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
So you guys doing some pretty big projects?
Yeah, in fact, we just finished the East Stadium addition to Memorial Stadium on the Nebraska campus. And we're in the process of designing the 7 blocks north of the Capitol building called Centennial Mall.
Wow. And you guys are like a one-stop shop.
Yeah.
All the design happens here.
Yeah, we have everything in the office here, and I can show you all the different disciplines and all the professionals that we have here.
Yeah, take me on a tour.
Good, let's do it. So Andy, here we are. We're in the architectural team area. And as you can see, it's an open office area. We don't have walls that separate people. You'll see a lot of people talking to each other because we're very collaborative. So this is just one of the design areas in the firm. There's the architectural area here, and then it links up to the landscape architecture area over here and engineering on the other side of the wall here. So
yeah. Now these are the people who are responsible for like the big picture of the buildings, the spaces that are going to be created.
I would say that the architects, for the most part, are the managers of our large building projects. They're the ones that sort of put it all together and then plug in engineers and landscape architects and interior architects to really make the process collaborative and finished.
Yeah, now it takes a 4-year degree, or at least more, at least a 4-year degree, if not more, to work here. Is that right? That's
right. When you graduate from high school, if you want to be an architect or an engineer, you really need to go to college and get your undergraduate degree. And now, more than ever, you really also need to think about getting an advanced degree, a master's degree. It helps with the registration process and becoming licensed.
So here you have bachelor's degrees and master's degrees working together.
Yep.
Great.
We do.
All right, on to the next stop. Huh?
Good.
So where are we now?
Well, we're actually in the engineering team area of our firm, and you can tell a little bit difference in the environment. There's cubicles here, and the reason for that is that the guys who are here really deal in the technical aspects of building design. So these are the electrical and mechanical engineers, and they're working on doing the important things in a building that make the building work. Cool. And when we were in the architectural team area, you saw more of the aesthetic, creative kind of process going on there. Both are important. There is not one that's more important than the other. They're both very important, and to get a building or a place to work right, you need both.
And you certainly need a degree to work in this area.
Same thing, yeah. You need an undergraduate degree. A lot of our guys have master's degrees. It's the same kind of a deal with registration and licensure. You have to have those kinds of qualifications and then experience to be able to get licensed and practice.
So you can work here and continue your education, right?
Yeah, and that's an important thing to remember, is that I think you learn more when you get out of school and in an office environment than you do while you're in school. So those years where you've obtained your degree but maybe not licensed yet are really important years, and you can work and make a living, and you're learning probably more than you did in college, to tell you the truth.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, well, take me to the next stop.
Okay.
Well, I can see by the swatches we've got going on that we are in the interior design area.
Yeah, actually, we prefer to think of it as interior architecture because it's much broader than just interior design. These folks work with finishes and color and lighting and all kinds of things that go, I think, beyond just thinking about it as interior design.
Okay, and what kind of degrees do they have?
Same thing. In fact, a lot of these degrees come from the same kind of colleges that architects and landscape architects come from. Same basic background. So it's the same kind of deal: bachelor, undergraduate, master's, and then licensure.
All right. Well, you are an architect, so what do you think? Is it going to work for me?
No, I don't think that works.
Okay. No.
I think it's close, but you know, we don't like close connections. We like things that contrast more boldly. So and that's not bad.
There we go.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Well, we've got one more stop, right?
Yep, one more.
Let's do it.
So we're kind of at a crossroads in our office. We're between our administrative area, our IT area, and our marketing area. And we've been around the office and have looked at all the professional areas, architects and engineers, interior architects, landscape architects. But we also have careers in our firm that are related to administration, clerical, IT support, journalism, those kinds of things. And we couldn't exist without those as well. So in order to have a firm like this, you've got to have not only the professional design people, but also the people that support all that from a business standpoint.
Now, does everyone in this kind of section over here, do they have bachelor's degrees or master's or?
Yeah, it's everyone here is really a professional, so everybody's gone to college and either has a bachelor's or a master's in business or in IT, computer science, things like that, or journalism. So yeah, the same boat.
And you guys need really good IT people, right? Because the technology you're working with is pretty advanced.
Yeah, we can't exist without the latest and greatest technology. Everything that we do now is computer-based. We still draw, and we still do those kinds of creative things by hand, but to produce a set of drawings for bidding and for construction, we use a computer every time.
Great. Well, I can see they're top notch because of all the Avengers and Star Wars paraphernalia around here.
Yeah, it's true.
Well, Dennis, I really appreciate you taking me on the tour.
Good. Thanks. Thanks for being here.